Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust mountain bike suspension. First, let's talk about sag, which is crucial for proper performance. Sag is the amount your suspension compresses when you are in your riding position. For your front fork, aim for about 15 to 25% of its total travel. For the rear shock, a good starting point is 25 to 35%. This ensures your suspension can absorb bumps effectively and maintain traction. Next, we'll adjust rebound damping. Rebound dictates how fast your suspension returns to its original position after hitting a bump. If it's too fast, your bike will feel bouncy and uncontrolled. If it's too slow, the suspension can pack down on successive bumps, reducing its effectiveness. You want a setting where the wheel returns smoothly and quickly, but without launching you off the seat. Typically, this is adjusted with a red dial. Now, let's look at compression damping. This setting controls how quickly your suspension compresses when you hit an obstacle. Many modern suspensions offer both low-speed and high-speed compression adjustments. Low-speed compression helps with pedaling efficiency and small trail chatter. High-speed compression is crucial for absorbing big hits and preventing your suspension from bottoming out harshly. Experiment to find a balance that suits your riding style and terrain. Finally, it's time to test your adjustments on the trail. Ride your bike on familiar terrain, paying close attention to how it feels over various obstacles. Does it absorb small bumps well? Does it handle big drops smoothly without harsh bottom outs? Make small, incremental changes to your settings, perhaps 1 or 2 clicks at a time. This iterative process will help you dial in your suspension for optimal performance and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.